Hi, Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Welcome you visit our Fupower company.
Thank you. Yes, it's very good.
How about your trip?
Very good, thank you.
Okay.
It was nice.
Let me introduce myself and our company, Fupower. This is Frank from Fupower. Now we are at our exhaust factory.
Yes.
Fupower company started from 2009. We have 3 facilities. Yeah,
Three?
yeah, 3 facilities.
Oh, very
Our
good.
facility is make a selling house. This factory will make a TIG welding exhaust factory.
Exhaust
Yeah, we
factory,
also have a carbon fiber. Anyway, our DNA is make different materials, pipes. We make exhaust intake and coolant system for the
muffler also, yeah?
yeah, for the car performance range. Yeah, we also
It's all aluminum you use?
Aluminum also.
Yeah.
This is our factory, exhaust factory. The room is about 3 floors. This first floor, second, third. The building is about 100,000 square ft. This is our new factory. We just moved to here.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
last month we at the old room. The old room is small. This here is larger, double size. Our the oven tank.
Oh,
yeah.
For baking.
Yeah, it's a necessary gas for the exhaust welding.
Very good.
Yeah.